What's up, guys? Jay here from Easy Blade. Today we are cutting off this beard. Yes, we're cutting it off. At this point, he pretty much put the beard inside of a kind of like a ponytail, so he can show me exactly where he wants it. He's gonna go ahead and donate it. So he just pretty much told me to go a little bit above the band. And what we did was we grabbed our scissors, and this is what we have, guys. Hurt me to do it.
There it is.
That's what we have. Here it goes. Look at that thing. He's gonna go ahead and donate that. So the first thing we're gonna do is go ahead, and he wanted a goatee, so we're gonna shave the sides. He wanted a goatee. So we're shaving off the sides, and we're gonna give him a nice goatee. Pretty much he wanted to switch it up. From what I know about him, he can pretty much grow a beard faster than a lot of people. So this is not a big deal to him. For all you guys on the internet are probably like, wow, he really cut that beard. You know, for the people who don't have beards and really can't grow it, I know they get pretty pissed off when they see things like this. They're like, you know, damn, I wouldn't cut that beard, you know, stuff like that. But he pretty much grows a beard really fast. I guess it's in his genetics, you know, he could pretty much grow that beard out like that. He really took care of his beard as well. Always beard oil inside of it, pretty much always groomed and combed out. It was always nice, as you saw in the beginning. And he just wanted to switch it up. Summertime's coming, and he wanted to have a different style and maybe change the look. So what we did here was basically outline the goatee. And just pretty much he's just telling me exactly how he wants it. You know, we had a little consultation in the beginning. He kind of told me what he wanted to do with it and exactly how he wanted it, and that's pretty much what I'm trying to do, you know, give him what he wants. I'm basically shaping the beard. Now the beard was straight, of course, so you can see the hair is kind of straight, so I have to mold it so it looks more roundish. As you can see in the beginning, when I cut it off, it looked kind of straight because he, like I said, he took care of his beard so much. He groomed it and combed it out, had it like really nice, so it was pretty much just straight out. So I had to kind of like mold it into like a roundish look so it can look correct. You didn't want it to be like short and straight. That just wouldn't look right. And I'm sure it would eventually kind of curl back up, because with a goatee, you want to make sure that it's kind of curly, not curly, but it's not going to be as straight as a beard, basically. You know, you want to make sure it's a little coursey, if that makes sense. So what I'm doing is just shaping it with my outliner as well as my Wahl Seniors. I was just giving it a shape to it, you know. And basically this is what we have, guys. We're just making sure it's nice and clean. He's going to keep the mustache natural. He wants the natural look on a mustache. He doesn't want to shape up the mustache. We're going to grab some Easy Blade shave gel, clear, translucent, so we can see exactly what we're doing with our straight razor. And with the straight razor, we're pretty much just going to do the sides and the bottom and just make sure that it's nice and clean. Making sure that he is nice and sharp and looking good. And this is pretty much what we have, guys. He loves the look, you know. This is what we have, guys. Just a simple goatee. If you like the video, like, comment, subscribe. Talk to you soon. Jay here from Easy Blade.